In this lecture, we're going to talk about C style string as well as C++ style string. So this particular video clip is for just introducing, these two types of string at a very high level from decoration standpoint and initialization. So in the following videos, we'll delve into the specific of each of these type of string. So C string. C strings are simply implemented as a char array, right? There is no concept of string here in C string. So what you see here in C is that, and notice that the array symbol here. So this is simply a collection or array of chars. Another way to represent this is char star, okay? Test underscore string. All right, and then you can initialize it, with a string literal. So this is what we call the string literal, right? This is that. So that's that. And one thing about C string is this is null terminated. So there is actually a null character terminating the above string that you do not see, or the null character itself you do not see. So that's C string, but the problem with this is that C strings or C arrays, right? They do not track their own size. So you must keep up with the size on your own. And there are also no concept of boundary protections. So the use of null characters is of paramount importance. So there's a lot of details we'll get into next. Now let's look at the high level from the high level standpoint what a C++ string is. So this is actually a STD standard library feature. It's a class, part of the standard library. So C++ string has been around, right, ever since the advent of C++. C++ string manages the underlying storage or the buffer for you. Given that this is a class, there are methods associated with C++ string that you can use. It's methods such as iterator, such as is empty, such as constructor, as well as the sizing, right? The size or length of a C++ string. So there's a lot of that details associated with this class. But anyway, from the sizing standpoint, or the memory space perspective, C++ string is pretty expensive. Usually, this is of 24 bytes in memory, whereas char, right, is 1 byte. So if you have a string with a C++ in it, the total amount of memory that is required to host this C++ C string is 4 bytes, right? C++ is 3 plus a null terminating, that's 4. So we'll get into more of the details here and with respect to their decoration, initialization, and also assignment.